vibes. Bumpa. Soca. Carnival. Gyal bumpa. Gyal bumpa. Gyal bumpa. Emmanuel Ray. Patrice Roberts. Nyla Blackman. That's right. From you wake up this morning, you yeah, I admit it. I am addicted to Soca, Carnival, and good girl bumper. And of course, the good vibes too. You don't know that things are already, but hear me I say that, man. Yaadman Etan has been in America for too long. Yo, like, yo, hear me I say that, man. Like, it at 9, you know. You can imagine when me go a party. I'm gonna say the man them to stand up, so. Yo, them American party, you're boring, you're fret. I just love the Caribbean vibes, yo. Like, me need a Caribbean vibe, me need a Caribbean move, yo. I'ma feel like Trinidad Carnival can't really cure me, yo. Cause hear me I say that, man. I need a certain amount of vibes. I need a certain amount of girl bumper. Or dead mega dead. That's how I feel. I mean anything.
I'm not gonna talk to him, man. Still, like, whenever you know, cause I can't reach to him. I can't carry the man go to the gym, cause the man is some weird sitting, you know, like, going to the gym and the man are embarrassed for you, you see me?
Yo, me have to make sure my body ready for Trinidad Carnival, you know?
You know what I mean? They need help. The man is addicted to soca. Can't gyal bumper. You understand? The man is need a Caribbean vibe. I don't know if somebody have therapy for that. You know, see the man they are fine. I sit down with sign. I try to get to reach a carnival next year. Trinidad. I don't know what for those still, but we just have to pray for the bridge. You know what I mean?
I say the money. Boy, me don't know, you know. Cause Yaadman broke. But me do almost anything for go out to Trinidad Carnival. All I can go out there go work. You know what I say, man? When they open the streets, they're foreign. I beg me way for go to Trinidad Carnival. Look here. Help Yaadman get a Trinidad girl. I mean, get to Trinidad Carnival.
Bumbucket. Trust that dog. Yo, all the bumbucket this dog. Watch out. Watch that p*** here. That brother here.
What about brother? You can help me get to Trinidad Carnival, brother.
Brother, what you doing there, sir?
Eh?
Man, that's the thing what I know in my youth.
Brother, what you talk about, dog? You don't see the man want to go carnival, dog?
Man, from
Man want to get a bump in, dog?
From Kiar now, I don't just some my
Brother,
youth.
yo,
Brother.
Yaadman get to Trinidad Carnival.
Yeah, I'm pressing that dog, you see what I say? Right, when I know wrong with him now, I wish you eat him go bun. But
yo, please.
Hey, me say, man. Please, just. Let's book Yaadman for Trinidad Carnival. Even if I have to work whole heap of event and cover whole heap of event and the whole heap of promotion, Yaadman will do it. Alright, good. Dog, my point, gun for me, dog. Bumbo, my point.
Jesus, I'm dead now.
Dog,
I'm dead now.
It's
Dead now.
I feel kind of threatened right now. You mind if I could, like, step in real quick and kind of share what I'm doing here? Sure. Is that okay? Promise you're not gonna shoot me, right?
I know it's a lot asking broke college students for money, but you know, you guys can support me next time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hi, how you doing?
Hey.
Hi, can I ask for your help on something?
Jesus.
Oh my gosh.
Fugees.
Oh my gosh, you're hearing someone.
Fugees.
Yeah, I try to go to Trinidad Carnival, dude. Yeah. Hi, how you doing? And we need some help to try to go to Trinidad Carnival, and I don't know whether to try so we can go. I've been out in the streets begging all day trying to get some support. You understand?
You got some money or something?
I mean, I'm not asking for money, but if you want to give me money, that's fine.
We got
You understand? Or you could subscribe to my YouTube channel.
When did you check out first on YouTube?
Fugees.
Here for Trinidad Carnival. You see, I've been in America for too long, understand, and I'm kind of bored. And well, I need vibes, and you know, I need like a good type of Caribbean vibes. I mean, you see, I'm not from America, understand, and I'm trying to go to the best carnival ever in Trinidad. Understand? I like to represent for my Caribbean people. Understand? Wait, please don't go.
That's the door open. Jano.
Please, we just want to go carnival, please.
Jano.
Tell me about carnival. Please, man, I beg you, please. Book Yaadman.
Trinidad Carnival.
Yeah, what they said. Book Yaadman for Trinidad Carnival. Yeah.
You know.
You see me? One Caribbean me believe in, you know. Hey, me in my place. Place. I need something for go wine right now, so. Later.
So I just wanna say people like you just I don't know. Like, I'm gonna try everything like I don't think like I'm gonna do that for just walk in a church right now and man they even pray them thing and what that. You see me? Like, I don't know what that. No, I'm the judge I can't help me anyway. I'm gonna try. Oh, I really I try. Like, I can't go to the gym. I can't. What the bum bucket? You see me I talk about you with the
Brother, we just want the bumper down. We just want the bumper.
come on from bum bucket, bro. What
Brother,
you
it's a
do
bumper,
now?
brother. Let's give me the bumper.
Brother, come on from
Brother,
bum bucket.
yo, brother, we had it. Yo, easy on that.
Yo, what you do, my youth?
If you would like to help Yaadman get to Trinidad Carnival, all you have to do is click that PayPal link in the description below. It doesn't have to be much. And even if you don't have any money to give at all, just subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends and help spread awareness of this condition. I am addicted to Soca, Carnival, and good Gyal bumpa. So please, help me get to Trinidad Carnival.
Trinidad Carnival. Come here, big bumper girl.
Yo, I can't pass out at Trinidad Carnival.